Yes, yes. As you told, that is right. Because many people keep on getting hesitation while speaking English language. So I saw many people in my class in which I study, in which school I study. So they are getting, shy. You can consider. So when it will come to for them for speaking with any people that time. So when they will speak, so they will think that if I will speak so, and he will mock me. He will mock me. It doesn't matter whether he mocks you. All the time you should speak, but then you should learn something from your mistake. But then you should not fear from your mistake. Right. Yes, you should keep on
Exactly.
learning.
I think you do not think about a mistake. Yes, you make mistake, but I think you need to learn from mistake. So if in this way you can improve yourself, you can enhance yourself. So this is the way of learning of anything else. If you think about a mistake, I will make mistake, then you cannot learn anything else, brother. Because I think if you stop learning just because of the people, just because of making mistake, can you learn anything else in your life? Not at all. You cannot learn anything else. Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
I
Until when
hope
you
that.
will not learn mistakes, you can't learn anything else. So therefore, we should learn. And whatever we would like to learn about life, and whether we will make it doesn't matter, but we should learn from our mistakes also. Yes.
I have one more question, okay? And this question has been, running in my mind for a long time, okay? But I didn't, ask you. So, I think it is the third time, okay, when you are, talking with me. This is the third time.
Yes, yes, yes,
But you,
exactly.
but you didn't upload my video. Why? But you didn't upload my video.
That time, and before you already, I made one conversation video with one girl. So I decided that today, and that video I will upload on YouTube. So I thought that,
It's
by
my
mistake.
request, okay? It's my request to you, okay? Please upload my video, okay? And also, uh, put my, channel name, okay? So it maybe, it would be beneficial for me that, okay? And I would be so thankful to you, and I would be so grateful to you, brother, okay? I really love you, okay? The way you are trying, okay? So please, also, I need your help, and I also need your support, okay? And if you do, the little support, okay, then maybe, my life can, change.
Yes, definitely. When I will upload this video, that time I will put on your channel, and I will tell about your channel to my viewer. As many people will watch this video on YouTube by uploading on YouTube. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you. All right. Okay, so I'd like let me ask you some more question. Okay.
Yes, you can ask
So
me.
now you have many subscribers. Yes, and I think that you are going to hit the 15K 15K.
Yes, yes, yes. Around
So how do you
15K.
feel that? How do you feel that? And how what is the condition, and how is the condition of your family? How they behave with you
Yes, yes.
in
Because
your
for long.
village, in your local area? How they react to you?
Yes, yes. For a long time, I've been thinking like this channel for opening, but that time I was not getting any idea to open like this channel. So before also this time, and I had opened one channel. That channel name was Technical Jadoo, and I was working on technical related video, but I didn't get any success. Then and that time I had only 3 subscriber all the time, and 2 people will watch my video. Yes, round the clock. And this time and before also this channel opened one channel Hindi English Pact official. So somehow I got 1,000 subscriber after the opened English Jadoo English Boy. Before also this channel. So also in that channel I keep on making like a blog video in English language. All the time I didn't get any success. So then I thought to open this
Okay.
one channel English with Jadoo. So now I'm getting better response. And also my father knows about me that my son makes video on YouTube. That and
Mhm.
he is will be getting happy to me. And also my mother know about me that she will be getting happy on me. Yes.
Mhm.
And as many people are living in my village, and they started to know me that and one like boy is living in this village in our village and who makes video on YouTube very good, and people are supporting him. He completed around 14,000 subscriber on YouTube. Yes.
Okay. So are you invited by any channel? Are you invited? They call you, for the taking the interview and all.
Yes, yes, it's many channel, and I belong to Santal community boy. You can consider I am Santal community boy. So most of people, Santal people, will have invited me and said me that some of the day must go to your home for taking your interview, and we would like to know about yourself. So and
Mhm.
because at what time they will come, it will be I don't like they will come to my home for taking my interview. So and
Yeah.
they said me coming to me on Sunday after
Hmm.
yes, they will come, and already my video was uploaded one YouTuber, and his YouTube channel name is Hasta Live. Do you know?
Oh, actually, I don't know. I don't know.
Yes, yes. And I think you don't have knowledge of Santali language, right?
Yeah, exactly. But I'm quite familiar with the Jharkhand, okay, because Man Singh Dhoni is from Jharkhand, okay, and who can forget Man Singh Dhoni, okay, he is a very legend. So please let me know that, okay. Do you have interest? Do you what is your hobby?
So, and I am going to tell about my hobby. Before while I made mistake, and when you were asking me that time, by mistake, I will not have told about my hobby. So, I'm going to tell about my hobby. So, I like to play football, cricket, and mostly I keep on reading book, and mostly I like to read book only. And different kinds of book is read by me at my home, and I keep on collecting a lot of knowledge of that book by reading. Yes,
Okay. So I think your hobby is also the playing football.
yes,
So
yes,
could you
yes.
please tell me that, okay, who is your favorite footballer, if you
Mine,
don't mind?
yes, yes. Footballer, yes. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, you can consider.
Oh my God. Okay, I really appreciate. Okay, and you also mentioned that, and you also said that. Okay, you are the book lover. You are the book lover, yes, and
Yes, yes.
you like to read book. So recently, which book have you read? Recently, which
You
book have you read?
this time many book ask me book a requirement for me for learning, so and this time I studied at class, so like history and ask many book are important for me, requirement for me, I having to pay my attention on all, but mostly all the same I pay my attention on English also beside that. So that time and which can be my exam, board exam is around the corner for me, and I will have to take the exam properly, so therefore I having to pay my attention also on other subject beside this English subject. Yes.
What is your ambition? Okay, but I think you are studying in eighth class, and you just became the YouTuber. So after just becoming the YouTuber, okay, so is there any special is there a specific goal in your life, okay, which you want to achieve in your life?
Yes, 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 yes. Many people ask you like you that what you want to become in your life. So many people want to know. So I told them so, and as you ask me now, just now I'm going to tell you. So I didn't decide you can consider a software engineer, and I decided to become in my life that because I'm fond of using computer the most.
Okay, so you want to be an engineer.
Yes, yes,
Okay, so do you know the do you know the criteria how to become a, an engineer? Do you know that?
yes, little bit and but I didn't. Before some day I was watching on that topic video on YouTube. One channel, Quick Support YouTube channel. Do you know?
Sorry.
Quick support channel. Do you know?
I don't know. I'm not interested in such kind of videos. Okay. I sometimes I open the YouTube, and I just use that, and I watch that some videos. Okay. So actually, because nowadays I do not get the time. Okay, because I'm a teacher. Okay, I love to teach. I love teaching the people, and I'm also preparing for a examination, government examination. Okay, so that's why rarely I just get the time. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that.
Yes, yes,
Okay, so is
bro.
there any question from your side? Then you can ask.
Yes, yes, bro. You told me before a while that you are teaching to students in English language. So can you tell me around how many students are being talked by you about English language?
Sorry.
How many students are being talked by you about English language?
So far, I think
Yes,
the number is very large. Okay, I think I have taught more than the 1,000 students.
yes, yes.
I started teaching journey since 2019. Since 2019, and it's a year of 2024. Okay, so I have made I have taught many students. Okay, and I am so happy. I'm so happy in this profession. Okay, and I love teach. Yeah.
So can you tell me about your way of teaching them? How will you be teaching them English language that, and they will be learning in short way, and you to you because I think that according to you a good teacher. So can you tell me about your way of teaching them?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Okay, I would be so happy to tell you that. Okay, so let's suppose, okay, you are the new student, okay, and you want to join my classes. You just
Yes,
took
yes,
the admission, and the first day, okay, I just I check their self, okay, what kind of knowledge they have, what kind of knowledge they have, okay. If they do not have basic knowledge, I teach them like sentences, alphabets, sentences, words, and then I give them some translation. Okay, you have to translate, and write something about yourself. If they are good at writing such kind of thing, okay, then I will start teaching like sentences chapter. Then I come to the then come to the the stance, then again after that, okay, we teach like the model, and there are many chapters, okay, I teach them. And in a week, in a week, in a 2 days, okay, I give them chance to come to the podium. I give them to speak English, okay, just like the mutual talking and coming to the podium. Do you know podium?
Yes. Munch.
Yes.
Where
Yeah.
address?
Yeah. I call them, okay, and I invite them to come here and speak something about whatever you know about yourself, okay? Do not think about your mistake, okay? Just forget about your mistakes. Do not think about your errors, okay? And so in this way, I start teaching, okay? And in this way, okay, they are getting much improvement in their